Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you pet owners out there. If you've been struggling to keep your hardwood floors clean and fresh in a pet-friendly home, you're in for a treat. We're about to introduce you to the Bona Pet System Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner Spray, specifically formulated for dog owners. This product is a game-changer when it comes to maintaining clean and odor-free floors. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this the best hardwood floor cleaner for pets. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the Bona Pet System Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner Spray. It's a specially formulated floor cleaner designed to tackle the unique challenges that come with having pets, particularly dogs, in your home. This 32 fluid ounces spray bottle contains a powerful oxy-powered stain remover that can deep clean and penetrate even the toughest stains and messes left behind by your furry friend. Now, let's talk about some key features that make this product stand out. This cleaner is designed with your pet's safety in mind. It's gentle yet effective, ensuring that your floors are clean without the use of harsh chemicals. The oxy-powered formula helps break down and remove stubborn stains and odors, leaving your floors looking and smelling fresh. It's an eco-conscious choice as it features biodegradable ingredients, so you can clean your floors while minimizing your environmental footprint. Suitable for use on multiple surfaces, including hardwood floors, making it a versatile solution for pet owners. Now, let's talk about where you can get your hands on this fantastic product. The Bona Pet System Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner Spray is available on Amazon.com, and we've provided a link in the video description below. Plus, it's currently offered at a discounted price, so you can keep your floors clean without breaking the bank. In conclusion, if you're a pet owner looking for the best hardwood floor cleaner for pets, the Bona Pet System Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner Spray is a must-try. Its pet-friendly formula, stain-removing power, and versatility make it a top choice for maintaining clean and fresh floors in your home. Don't let pet messes stress you out any longer. Give this product a try and enjoy a cleaner, happier home. That's a wrap for today's product review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with this product, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.